As we all know that to increase engagement in videos, we need titles or subtitles. There are many styles of presenting those, so among of them today I will explain you 5 most of my favorite ones. This is the episode 1 of the subtitle sequence. So let's get started. This is the first composition which I have made of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Let's open the text of it and go to here animate option to the position, and after that we will add the property called opacity. Let's take it little bit downward like this one is enough, and choose the opacity around 0%, and after that open the range selector 1 and make a keyframe at the starting with the value of -100 and go around 1 second. Choose it positive 100, and after that we will open the advanced settings. Under that go to the shape panel and choose from here a ramp up, and let's choose the ease high around 25% and ease low around 100%. And after all of these settings, our first text animation is ready. Something like this is appearing. Now let's move to the second one. From here on these one, and we will choose the animate called position, and we will add from here property called opacity and the tracking also. First of all, choose the position value something below like this, and after that let's choose the tracking value around -110, and let's choose the opacity and let's take it a little more negative like here is okay, and choose the opacity around 0%, and open the range selector 1 and go to the beginning. Make the keyframe at the start with 0% and go around 1 second. Take it 100, and after that select both the keyframes. Make that easy ease, and under the graph editor make the graph to something like this. You must have chosen the speed graph. So after doing that, our animation is ready. Now let's jump to the third one. Here also first of all open the animate option and go to here blur, and after that we will add the opacity. And first of all let's increase the blur level, something like this is enough. Now let's the opacity level into 0% and open the range selector 1 and make a keyframe at the starting with the value of -100 and go around 1 second. Let's take it positive 100. After that go to the advanced settings, and again to the shape we will change it into ramp up, and at the ease high we will take 0% and ease low we will take -50, and after that our third animation is ready. To make it more snappy look, what we can do, we can choose this on a randomized order. Something like this will appearing. Now let's jump to the fourth one. So here also we will choose the animate option, but this time we will choose the scale, and after that go to the add option, property, and choose the opacity. You can see that we are playing with the property, opacity, scale, tracking like this. You can also experiment according to your choice if you want. So let's take it scale into something 0, and after that opacity into 0 also, and open the range selector 1. Under the offset at the beginning make keyframe into -100 and go something around 1 second. Choose it positive 100, and go to the advanced settings. Choose from here shape it into ramp up and choose the ease high around 25 and ease low around 100% is enough. So the fourth effect has been ready. This one is the more nicer look. So now let's jump to the final one. Here we will open the animate and after that go to here tracking. After that we will add the property called opacity and choose the tracking amount around -110. Let's increase it more so that it can be overlap itself and choose the opacity level at 0. And now open the range selector 1. After that at the beginning make a keyframe at the start at the 0% and go around 1 second. Take it into 100% and after that let's choose the keyframes. Make them easy ease and under the graph editor make the graph something like this in the speed graph. So this is the effect which we have made. One thing more you can do that at the end you can apply motion blur to everyone if you want more snappy look. So these were the 5 effects which I mostly use in my videos. Hope you liked it. If you liked it then subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next video. Bye.